Ever pondered about the significance of hearing health, or the role technology plays in preserving it? Well, it's about time we delve into the story of a company that's been revolutionizing this field, one innovation at a time. Welcome to the tale of Labat Asia, a medical technology company nestled in the heart of Mohali, India. Their journey began in 2010 as importers of hearing assessment and diagnostic equipment.
We are into hearing screening and hearing diagnostic equipments. And initially we started it as a trading partner of Labat International Italy. They were into all these devices since 1992. So we in fact were in touch with them, and then finally in the year 2010 I started discussions, and we decided that we set up a subsidiary wherein we were the minor and they were the major partners.
However, with a vision to make a bigger impact, they soon realized the need to take control of the reins. Transitioning from an importer to a manufacturer didn't happen overnight. It was a voyage paved with constant learning, innovation, and a relentless pursuit of excellence.
Towards the end of 2012, I would say it was decided mutually between us that it is better that we start an R&D here in India. So we started the R&D with the vision that we should start manufacturing these products here in India, and then eventually we should be supplying these back to the Italian partners. So this is how we started the R&D in 2012. Towards end of 2018, that we actually started manufacturing, and we launched our first product, that is audiometer.
As creators, they've brought a range of products to life, each designed with a specific purpose in mind.
When we started production, aim right from the beginning was that we should not compromise anything on the quality. So we decided to go in for, though there was nothing from the government side, it was not mandatory. But as per the international standard says that ISO 13485 should be there when you start producing or manufacturing a medical equipment. We implemented ISO 13485 in true spirit. Once the production started, immediately after that we had the other products, as I told you, ABR, SSR. In the year 2019 itself, we launched some variants of audiometers as well.
On a larger scale, they're boosting India's medtech sector, proving the nation's potential in developing and manufacturing high-quality medical equipment. In essence, Labat Asia is a beacon of empowerment for individuals with hearing loss.
When we started all these things, in the beginning only we implemented all these international standards. The products were tested for electrical safety, that is IEC 60601. So with that, we were way ahead than the other manufacturers. And then in 2020, India introduced and notified that MDR 17, which actually made it mandatory for every medical equipment manufacturer to get a manufacturing license. I'm proud to say that we are the first, and till now I think we are the only one to have this manufacturing license for the hearing equipment. So this is a journey so far, and then 2022 onwards, we didn't have to look back. So we are growing at a much faster pace. We grew about 4 times in the last 1 year, and this year again we are growing at a pace of about 30 to 40% than the year on year.
Their story is a testament to the power of innovation, the importance of accessibility, and the role of technology in health. It's a journey that continues to inspire and a mission that keeps on giving.